Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we're definitely pushing up really nice. I'm hoping this turns into a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. If it really is a wave 3, then I would expect it to go all the way up to about the 161% of wave 1, projected off the bottom of wave 2, which would put us all the way back up to the highs of the previous highs on the 4-hour time frame, that is. So I definitely would be looking for longs unless we get a very significant turn at a Fibonacci retracement level, which as of right now, it doesn't look like we are. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, this is where you can start to watch the higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. If we get a break of the high, low, high, low, high, low that we are currently in at a Fibonacci retracement level, especially like one of those 4-hour fib levels, then I would definitely stop looking for longs at that point. Until that happens, I would do absolutely nothing but try to go long every single chance I got at the end of every pullback I see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.